Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block and unblock someone on Skype. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Skype. Once you open Skype, you simply need to click on contacts and you will find all your contacts here. You simply need to hold that contact and here you can see the option of view profile. Click on that option and then you need to scroll down and in the bottom you will find the option of block contact. Click on that option to block that contact and then you need to click on block, and now you can see that this contact is blocked. So how you can unblock? You simply need to click on chats in the left bottom corner and then you need to click on the icon in the top middle and here you need to click on settings, and once you are in settings you simply need to click on contacts and then you need to click on blocked contacts and you will find all your blocked accounts here. So you can see that I blocked the account. Then you need to click on unblock. So now you can see that this account is unblocked. So this is the process by which you can block and unblock someone on Skype. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.